The Fastcorp DIVI vendor has an external customer keypad mounted on the front of the cabinet door with the letters A, B, C, and D, as well as numbers 0 through 9. These keys are used primarily for choosing a selection during the vending process. There is an additional customer keypad and a service keypad mounted on the inside of the security door. These are used for service, diagnostic, and programming functions. The display screen can be unlatched and viewed from the rear of the door. The D key can also be used for scrolling through the service menu options in reverse order, and it is used in menu 5 for deleting selection numbers. The star key is used for advancing from one menu option to the next, for advancing within a menu to view or choose different options, and for making changes. The pound key is used to open a menu option or make a choice within a menu option. Shoulder left, right, and elbow left, right are located on the top left corner of the service keypad. They are used for diagnostic purposes to test motor functionality in service menu 20. They can also be used during the programming process to position the robot arm, but it is much easier and faster to position the robot manually using your hands. The down and the up buttons are used in many service menu options for setting heights and for increasing or decreasing values. The load and close keys are located on the bottom left of the service keypad. If you press the load button, the freezer lid will open and the robot arm will fold itself in half in the center rear of the cabinet. If you press the close button, the robot arm will reposition itself in the center front delivery position and the freezer lid will close. Cycling the freezer lid open and closed by using the load and close buttons will reset all sold-out selections to full. It will also set a 75-minute timer so that the VMC board will allow the machine to continue vending normally even if the freezer temperature rose a few degrees during the filling process. Load and close will also clear freezer-related errors and allow the machine to return to normal operation after a health sensor error. The service keypad has 3 keys labeled 5 cents, 10 cents, and 25 cents. If one of the keys is pressed, a coin of that denomination will be dispensed into the coin return pocket on the front of the door. There is an additional key with a square symbol located directly below the 25 cents key. It will dispense a $1 coin if the coin mechanism is fitted with a tube that will accommodate that coin. The DIVI vendor has a free vend mode setting. When in free vend mode, the machine will vend any selection at no charge without incrementing the machine's sales meters. To enable free vend mode, press the Free Vend button on the service keypad. The display screen message will change momentarily to Free Vend is on. Pull out the white service switch pin on the door, and the message on the display screen will change to Free Vend mode. To turn Free Vend off, push in the white service switch pin and then let go. Press the VAC button and then press the Free Vend button. The message on the display screen will momentarily change to Free Vend is off. Always check your display before leaving the machine to ensure that the message displayed is Please insert money. Directly below Free Vend on the service keypad, we have the Test Vend button. Since testing the machine with money can be accomplished in vending mode, the button has never been enabled. The VAC button provides the DIVI vendor with a security feature that renders the inside keypads tamper-proof. If you do not press the VAC button before attempting to use the inside keypads, you will be prompted with the message on the screen, "Press VAC to unlock." The keypad security feature is disabled by pressing the VAC button on the service keypad, giving the operator access to all service functions. It is important to note that if any selections have sold out, the first display you will see when opening the front door will be a log of all sold out bins. You can scroll through a list of the sold out selections by pressing the pound key, or you can press the star key to advance to the change price menu. At this point, it is necessary to press the VAC button to proceed. The VAC button will also give you access to an error log that will store up to 10 entries displaying the most recent message first. Each time the VAC button is pressed, the log will scroll back one event. Each message is accompanied by a time and date stamp. You can press the star key to exit the VAC log at any time. The bottom right button on the service keypad is labeled Reset. The Reset button is used for a number of different functions. However, it is important to note that none of these functions include the resetting of error messages. The two primary uses of the Reset button are for resetting the machine's calibration and for deleting programmed data, including all programmed selection numbers.